Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Pearl barley adds a wonderfully satisfying, chewy texture and a subtle, nutty flavor to any meal. It's an incredibly versatile grain, perfect for hearty soups, refreshing salads, or as a wholesome side dish that's packed with goodness. Learning to cook it properly ensures a perfect result every single time, transforming simple ingredients into something truly delicious and nutritious. Get ready to elevate your cooking with this easy-to-master grain. Before you start cooking, a quick rinse is all you need. While some grains benefit from soaking, pearl barley does not require it, saving you valuable time. Simply place your desired amount of barley into a fine mesh sieve and rinse it thoroughly under cold running water for about 20 seconds. This helps remove any lingering dust or debris, ensuring your cooked barley tastes as clean and pure as possible. It's a small step that makes a big difference. Now, let's get cooking. The ideal ratio is 1 cup of pearl barley to 3 cups of water or broth. Combine your chosen liquid and the rinsed barley in a medium saucepan. Bring the mixture to a rolling boil over medium-high heat. Once boiling, immediately reduce the heat to a gentle simmer, cover the pot tightly, and let it cook undisturbed for approximately 25 to 30 minutes. This slow simmer ensures even cooking. After about 25 to 30 minutes, check your barley for doneness. It should be tender and pleasantly chewy, never mushy or overly firm. If it feels too firm, just add a splash more water, replace the lid, and continue cooking for a few additional minutes until it reaches your preferred texture. Once cooked, remove the pot from the heat and let it rest, still covered, for 5 minutes. This allows the barley to absorb any remaining moisture and become perfectly fluffy. For an extra burst of flavor, season your cooked barley with a pinch of salt and a drizzle of good olive oil. Cooked pearl barley stores beautifully in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days, making it excellent for meal prep throughout the week. Don't be afraid to experiment by adding herbs, spices, or even a bay leaf to the cooking water for extra zest. Enjoy your perfectly cooked pearl barley in all your favorite dishes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.